Shelton High School in July when I graduate, I get to go to a 6-month program over at South Seattle College, right next to there, right next to the shipyard in Seattle. All I'll do is go through the program. I'll get certified with theirs, which is X-ray welding, and which is able to be to pass like standards for Vigor and for the shipyard, and it allows me to be able to work basically anywhere I want. I can take that degree and work anywhere else in the world that I want to work. To do boiler making, to do fabrication of the ships, I can do aluminum, I can do aerospace welding, like they allow me to do whatever I want.
An amazing student who will be moving on to welding big skyscrapers, probably be my boss someday or somehow, some way. But there's many other students like that, but those types of students seem to get it. Those types of students will get along faster in the real world as far as real world experience. That is really what the real world experience is: following directions, critical thinking, and meeting deadlines, and they know how to do that. The teachers recognize each of them in their fields like they are a part of other classes and stuff, not just mine, but all of us teachers talk, and we recognize them, so we hold them a little bit higher standards and we challenge them maybe just a little bit more, and they meet the expectations above and beyond.
This algebra, in fact, is actually what we use the most because we gotta learn how to use integrals. We gotta learn how to take measurements, learn to read blueprints, and we gotta learn how to apply that with our welding. You know, welding is not just kind of go to beat and go. It's like you actually have to plan it out. You actually have to, be precise. So people are using precise equipment in order to get, exactly what you're supposed to be doing. If you go and you just do one thing and do it by eyeball, you're not going to be able to really get the best, adequate performance that you're going to be able to want to do. And it's just kind of those kind of things. We do a daily question every single day. We play like a ruler game, so you got to learn how to read a ruler. You use tape measure up to like 4 inches, and you got to know each individual mark and what they are. That way you know exactly, what you're measuring and not just guessing what you're doing.
As a person who was a hands-on learner, I think it's that other part where students who don't have like myself, thing really keeps us busy, and it's able to gain experience. It's the best way to gain experience. So I find it very valuable.